Designing for the world. How global trends influence Mondoro's product development. At Mondoro, design is not just about creating products for one market or a set of customers, but about crafting pieces that resonate globally. As a company dedicated to developing and manufacturing home decor and furnishings for clients worldwide, we have long understood that design must transcend local preferences and reflect broader global trends. Thanks to the internet and rapid communication technologies, the world is more interconnected than ever. This interconnectedness has led to the flattening of the world, where trends and ideas spread quickly across borders, influencing tastes and expectations worldwide. The global design landscape, a convergence of trends. One of the most significant shifts we've observed in recent years is the merging of regional design preferences into a more unified global aesthetic. This convergence means that design elements once unique to a particular culture can now influence styles thousands of miles away. For instance, Scandinavian minimalism has influenced Asian decor, while vibrant African patterns have entered European homes. This exchange of ideas has created a dynamic and ever-evolving design landscape that we at Mondoro must navigate thoughtfully. However, it's essential to note that while specific trends may spread globally, the interpretation and integration of these trends can vary. For example, the appreciation for sustainability has become a universal value, but how it manifests in design can differ. In some regions, sustainability is shown through minimalist, eco-friendly materials, while in others, it might be represented by traditional crafting methods using locally sourced natural fibers. This requires a keen understanding of popular trends and how they are adapted and celebrated in different parts of the world. The importance of versatility in global design. One of the lessons we've learned is that not every design will appeal to everyone. Design preferences are highly subjective and influenced by cultural backgrounds, personal experiences, and aesthetic sensibilities. This variability is why, at Mondoro, our approach is to design with versatility in mind. We strive to create products that can be customized or adapted to fit different tastes and environments. For example, a side chest might be finished in a neutral tone for markets favoring understated elegance. At the same time, the same piece might feature a bold hand-painted pattern for regions where color and artistry are more celebrated. The principle of versatility also extends to the materials we use. A design that incorporates rattan and bamboo, inspired by Southeast Asian craftsmanship, may resonate well in tropical or coastal markets. Meanwhile, when modified with more industrial materials like metal and glass, the same piece can appeal to urban markets in Europe or North America. Key global trends influencing Mondoro's product development. With all things design and trends, there are always some key global trends that can influence products and designs. Here are some of the ones that we see happening in the world. Minimalism and functional design. Minimalism, popularized by Scandinavian and Japanese design philosophies, emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. The form follows function principle resonates across cultures, as many consumers value products that serve practical purposes without unnecessary adornment. At Mondoro, we incorporate these minimalist ideals into many of our collections, ensuring that our products are beautiful, practical, and adaptable to various living spaces. Sustainability and eco-conscious living. The global push toward sustainable living has deeply influenced home decor trends. Consumers worldwide are becoming increasingly aware of their environmental impact, seeking out products made from eco-friendly and renewable materials. Mondoro has integrated sustainability into its product development by using ethically sourced wood, recycled metals, and natural fibers such as rattan and jute. Additionally, we focus on processes that reduce waste and minimize the carbon footprint, ensuring that our products meet the expectations of environmentally conscious buyers. Cultural fusion and global inspirations. One of the most exciting aspects of global design is merging different cultural influences into cohesive, modern pieces. the world has seen a rise in designs that blend traditional motifs with contemporary elements, such as incorporating intricate Moroccan patterns into minimalist furniture or using Japanese wabi-sabi aesthetics to create products that celebrate imperfection and natural beauty, bold colors, and artistic expressions. While minimalism remains strong, there is also a countertrend that embraces bold colors and artistic expressions. This is especially popular in markets celebrating creativity and individuality, such as in parts of Latin America and the Middle East. At Mondoro, we recognize that clients in different regions are comfortable with color differently. We develop products that incorporate vibrant hues and elaborate designs for clients who wish to make a statement. For those who prefer a subtler approach, we adapt these products to feature muted tones and simpler patterns. Understanding the challenges of global design. Designing for the world comes with its own set of challenges. One major challenge is balancing global trends with local preferences. While there may be a widespread interest in certain styles, the way these styles are embraced can differ greatly from one market to another. For instance, while minimalism is admired globally, what minimalism looks like in a Scandinavian context, with its emphasis on stark whites and grays, might be interpreted differently in a warmer, tropical region that prefers softer, natural colors. To address this, Mondoro's design team is deeply aware of cultural nuances and aesthetic differences. We often start with a universal design concept and adapt based on regional feedback. This flexibility allows us to maintain the integrity of our original designs while making them accessible and appealing to a wider audience. The role of technology in global design. Technology has revolutionized the way design ideas spread and evolve. Platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and various design-focused blogs have allowed for a near instantaneous exchange of ideas and trends. Designers and consumers can explore inspiration from anywhere in the world with just a few clicks. At Mondoro, we leverage technology to stay ahead of global design trends. Our team monitors social media and design platforms to identify emerging trends and understand how they are received worldwide. This helps us create designs that look modern and reflect the global zeitgeist. How Mondoro integrates global trends into product strategy. Our strategy at Mondoro is rooted in continuous learning and adaptability. We begin by researching and identifying global trends that align with our customer expectations. Next, we explore how these trends can be incorporated into our customers' product lines. For example, the recent surge in biophilic design, which emphasizes a connection to nature, has prompted us to develop products that integrate natural materials and organic shapes. Whether it's through the use of wood with visible grain patterns, natural stone, or woven textures, we ensure that our products reflect this global desire for harmony with the environment. Mondoro also prioritizes feedback from our international clientele. We understand that trends evolve and customer needs shift, so we maintain open channels of communication with our partners and customers around the world. This ensures that we're not just following global trends, but leading them with innovative and culturally informed products. The future of global design at Mondoro remains committed to designing for the world as we look to the future. We will continue to explore the intersections of different design philosophies and seek new ways to blend traditional craftsmanship with modern innovation. Sustainability, cultural appreciation, and the celebration of diverse aesthetics will remain at the core of our design approach. By staying responsive to the evolving global landscape and keeping a keen eye on emerging trends, we aim to create products that speak to the values, tastes, and lifestyles of our diverse customer base. At Mondoro, we believe that great design knows no borders. It's about creating pieces that resonate with people, no matter where they call home. If you're interested in exploring our complete collection of lookbooks and discovering more about our designs, please reach out to us at sales@mondoro.com. We'd be happy to share the full range of our creations and discuss how we can help bring your vision to life. If you'd like to read more, visit the link below or go to w.mondoro.com. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.